doing? Oh, I'm so sorry about what happened yesterday. I am very, very sorry. I am very, very, very sorry. I am very sorry. I am very sorry for what happened yesterday. It was out of my control. I couldn't control it. Sincere apologies, guys. Are you there? What you doing? Come, let's have lunch together. I don't have lunch. I'm waiting for someone that I sent to buy fish. So here I am back doing the things. Uh-huh. Hi, Lorado. How are you doing, ma'am? How are you doing, guys? The fish. Good day, everybody. How are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? First of all, apologies about yesterday. It was out of my control. Yo, I sana in a check young teen. Ngabanga check. I have data here. I can go online. But I was off my phone. I switched it off, put it away because I didn't know what was happening. So I decided at a later stage I'll go through. I tried going to the Ghost Nation later on 6:30, 7 o'clock. Nalapo, it was wow. And then I was like, let me go to bed. I took Adcotal and I went to bed very early last night because I was stressed because my life was just cut off. I was like, they're cutting me off. Mark, they are cutting me off and I was not having it. And I was moody to everyone here in this house. And I was like, okay, before I really irritate people, let me go to bed. So I took my pills so that my headache does not and then I took my pills and I went to bed. So I slept and I woke up this morning around 5:30 a.m. I exercised and then by half 6 or something to 7 I was done, took a bath, and then I went to the shops to do some home shopping because it's the 15th. And then after that I was like, it's quiet. And then I came home and I was like, no, I'm not doing the 9 a.m. because by 9:10 I was sitting here doing something else, my other work. So I was like, I am doing that. Let me rather, I'm going to do lunchtime with the guys. And I'm sorry, like, honestly, I am sorry about what happened yesterday. And I still have to apologize to Kwazi. But it is what it is. Kesana Sizotini. Sizotini, Commissioner. It is what it is. The system was just like, we are not having it. So it is, at least now, I'm sure everything is fine because i-Wi-Fi ibhatelwe ngubhuti namhlanje utata uyibhatele i-right, and I suppose we're not gonna have problems, ne? UVodacom ungijwayele kabi yesterday. UVodacom really pissed me off. Anyway, it's fine. Now, guys, how are you? How is you? Hello, guys. I missed you. Yes, I miss making the noise in the morning. Hello, Lerato. Hello, Donika. Share the fish, please. No, I'm gonna share it if this baby comes. Good afternoon, Arthur. It's 12 o'clock. Dan, hi. How are you? Donika, morning. Hello, it's afternoon where I am. Simba, hi. Tandiwe, hello. Ngome Zulu, hi. Deniko, oh, your hair. Love your hair, Sis Noni. You look fantastic. Thank you so much. Marusane, hi. And Lusanda, hi. Mkuselelo Noni. Ndilambile, ndisekhangela umuntu ozondibheja. Yasazi kaloku ngothanda ubhejwa eMount. Shame on you. Shame on you. Okay, look for the person. Uden, thank you, Dan. Udeniko. Wish you were the commissioner. What would you have done about this case, Sis? I would have thrown it out long time ago. Now it would have never seen a day in court. This 636 with the accused, you would have never seen the day in court if it was up to me. Reborn, how are you doing? Pumza Galanda, hello, 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 hello. Hi. Guys, 39 people Gulukudu inside, yet we have 15 likes. Zhang. Come on, must I phone Kininda now? Must I do that? Must I phone Kininda now to come and make you do them likes? Must I? Hello, Master B, how are you? How is everybody doing? Guys, ooh, you are so unbelievable with your presence here. Hello, Led. Did you see our weather legend outside? It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful outside. It is so yummy. It is so yummy. Kesana, guys. 41 people, 19 likes, and Tanji. Nisha, if you want me to call Kinita to come here. Hello, the mouse. Do you guys want me to call Kinita to assist? I can go to Mobri. I can go to Mobri. I can go to Mobri and go and look for Uzungu. Sana Diti Kuya Zungu. Can I have Kininda's contacts, please? It can be organized. It can be organized. It can be organized, Kesana. Can be very much organized. Fast, Kesana. If Jenny Denza Kanja. How dare you? You better put your damn like. Hi guys. Hello, Kalani. Hello, your legend. Hi, everybody. So yesterday, where were we? Where were we when network decided to network on me and kick me out and be telling me things that don't exist? Hector, hi, I'm from Paso, Texas. Where are you from? I'm from South Africa. Do you know the gang of Nikona? They got TikTok. I'm from there, South Africa. Kesana. I'm from there. I'm a South African. How are you? How is Texas? How's the weather outside? Is it still summer that side? Because where we are still in spring. We're on our way to summer. Okay. So, guys, we're talking about the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial. We want to dissect on that because what is this? Hello, good afternoon, Dynasty family. Fam, we call ourselves the Dynasty here. You know why? We are the people that love, 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 love. I mean, love. You know what we love here? We prefer when people are treated equally. Black, red, yellow, white, pink, you name it. Everybody, they better be on what? On equal treatment. We must be like this, Sibe Umjolo. We better be like this, be the dating sites, be like this. We better be like this because wow. Because wow, we want equality of everyone. Everybody must be treated equal. That's what we want. Poor, richer, whatever, we better be treated the same. We do not want the rich not to face the music when they've committed crime. They better face it. They must not frame us the poor. No, no, no. It's not our fault that our parents are not rich. It's not our fault. Okay. Mm-hmm. Oh, Trolla Didi is in jail. He will never be here. Okay. Hello, Reborn, Hector. Yes, there is lions where I live. What you mean? What you want us to? Master, I'm good, thanks. How are you doing? I'm good. I'm very good. Reborn says, tell Kininta he'll organize everything. He will organize you to put your like there. You better put them likes. Some believe put them likes. Are you people liking the live? Hello, Kakati Abraham. They say Kakati is problem. It's a vendor. Is that true? Good afternoon, Noni. Geninda is all over police minister, correctional minister, court minister. He's dribbling roto, not the defense. You put it. You said it. I did not say a damn thing. You said it. You said it, KK. You said it, not me. It wasn't me, guys. It was KK. Okay. Anyway, guys, now let's talk about the Senzo Meyiwa case, Gesan. So yesterday, first of all, I love what that man they call Mr. Mngomezulu Dlakadla. I love that man. What he did there, it can never be undone. It can never be undone. What he did there, he did the things that needed to be done. Okay. Because he did not, in my view, he did not do any cross examination. He just highlighted the ones that needed to be highlighted. And that is why That is why the person was not, the other people did not ask, the other defense lawyers did not ask any questions because there was no point. There was absolutely no point in cross examining because how is this person assisting the court? Nix, zilch, nada. They are not assisting the court in any way whatsoever. Okay, they are not assisting the court. So all we got to talk about when it comes to that lady is that Longwetwala drove around all night long. He was doing all night long. All night long. That's what he was doing. That time he did not even go to the police station to report, here comes the problem. If it was me or you, were we not going to go to the police station first thing? Once we had our way of getting out, and then the first thing we do, we start the car off to the police station. We are like, police station, where are you? Trouble in paradise. No, he did not. All he did was do a go around, merry-go-round there for Sloras the entire night and didn't do anything else like going to the police station, sir. And then we are expected to believe that they were intruders. We are expected to believe that they were intruders, but someone drove all night long. Make that make sense, please. The vehicle was at Kelly Kumalo's family home, right? And Dukatreka expect is expecting us to believe Ukuti. That is all that she can say. Chief, please. Are we stupid? Are we stupid? Huh? Are we stupid? Are they supposed to say that we are stupid? Is my lawyer taking us for a ride? Because all this person did, Maria, Umama Wemvana, the mother of Jesus, all she did is that tell us is that for 1 hour, that night that Senzo was killed, Longwetwala was driving around for Sloras. Let's go and check Isowetan Iya Balayat. I want to see what the Sowetan is saying about that. Let me check it out. Oh, Twala drove around on night of Meyiwa's murder, car tracker expect. And then the state in the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial has shown that Twala drove for about an hour the night that Meyiwa was killed to dispel allegations that Twala was injured in the foot. But he was driving a whole polo, got 30 kilometers per hour. So how is that dispelling? Make it make sense. How is that dispelling anything? How is that dispelling anything? Because he was driving 17 kilometers per hour, 30 kilometers per hour, 15 kilometers per hour. How is that assisting us? Instead, it's hammering that someone might have been injured. That's what it was hammering, if you ask me. In an attempt to dispute the defense version that Twala shot Meyiwa during a quarrel and accidentally shot himself in the ankle, the state called car tracker expert Maria Pretorius, who detailed the movements of the red VW Polo that Twala drove on the night Meyiwa was killed in 2014. The car belonged to Twala's father, Chico. Okay. According to the defense legal representative, advocate Tulani Mgomezulu, Meyiwa was shot by one of the people who were at the singer Kelly Kumalo's family home in Fosloras, East Rand, on the night in question. However, according to evidence presented by Pretorius, Twala arrived at the house in Kutlwanong Street at 10 to 7. His car engine switched off. 8 minutes later, Meyiwa is believed to have been shot between 7:30 and 8:15 p.m. At 8:15 p.m., Twala's car switched on and he traveled for about 8 minutes to Clinics Butsolong Hospital on Semsukwati Street. During the trip, he drove at speed of between 13 kilometers per hour and 69 kilometers per hour. This is someone who was driving for an emergency purpose. But no, it must be this slow. At quarter past or at 10 to 9 p.m., Twala's car switched on and he traveled for about, okay, he was at the hospital for about 2 hours before driving back to Kumalo's home at speed between 17 kilometers and 33 kilometers per hour. According to Pretoria's evidence, Twala made a number of stops on the night. The state and the Kumalo family have dismissed allegations that Meyiwa was shot during an argument by one of them. Witnesses who include Kumalo's sister Zandi and Meyiwa's friend Tumelo Madlala have since testified that there were intruders who barged in, demanding cell phones and money on the night of the incident. They further claimed that Meyiwa was shot by the intruders. And we are supposed to believe that. Kanjani? Kanjani? I'm so hungry. Kanjani, guys? No, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make any flippant sense, guys. It doesn't. And it will never make sense. Do you guys realize that every time Baloy goes to fetch a witness, that witness comes and Baloy gets deeper into the ish? Do you guys understand that? Every time he tries to get someone, that someone will put him in a worse situation than he was in. It's not helping anyone what he's doing, honestly. It's not helping anyone. It's really not helping anyone what he's doing. Do you know what else is quite interesting, guys? Someone shared with me, and also Patricia shared online. I'm gonna show now. I'm gonna tell you now. Their timetable. They are also law students. Their timetable. I'm gonna read those for you now. When are they writing? This person says those are all official days for all modules, including the optional, which only two should be selected. The 26th October one maybe is the module arrangement, but it doesn't show general timetable. Keep well and keep doing the good job. All right. So first of all, do you know what's interesting? Is that all these exams are written online. Non-venue based exams for starters. All these exams are written online. There is an exam for the 8th of November. There is one for the 16th of November. Okay, maybe that's why Keninda won't be in. But what time is, okay, it's 12:15 until 4:15. How many? 12:15, 12:15, 1:15, 2:15, 3:15. Okay. Yeah, there is a 16th. So Kilinda is supposed to be writing tomorrow. Maybe that's why then he's not in court today. Right? And then also that's the 16th, ne? And then there is one on the 22nd. There is one on the 21st. That is October, ne? And then there is one the 30th and the 31st. And then there is one 25 and 29 October. Okay. There is one on the 1st of November. There is one on the 9th of November. But I'm interested. Did they get the real thing? Like the copy that you find from UNISA. That one would be very much interesting. And then professional ethics, 18 October, and then 23 October, 17 October. No, there is an exam on the 17th. Okay. I don't know anymore. I actually don't know. I don't know anymore, honestly. I don't know. Anyway, that's what this one shared, Patricia shared, because she's also writing exams. But wow, I don't know, man. Maybe it's just us. But the Senzo Meyiwa case, guys, yo, it has become like there are so many lessons to be learned when it comes to the Senzo Meyiwa case now. But what we can say is that Malloy has scored his own goal term. And on top of that, he threw Longwe under the bus. Now he says that everything that the lady was reading there, it's saying Longwe was there the entire time. I don't think he understood. Longwe was there the entire time, so Longwe never ran. Longwe never ran. No way. That's what it said. So he was at Kutranong Street the whole time his car was there. If he ran, he would have ran into his car. Huh? And why is it so hard to bring Longwe first? But okay, here we are. The defense must not even care to bring Longwe anymore. I don't even understand why is Longwe being protected. Isn't he innocent? Isn't he innocent according to them? If he's an innocent man, why is it a problem to bring him? I Jehovah. Someone wrote on Twitter, no matter what the outcome of the hashtag Senzo Meyiwa trial is, I will always wonder why the state never brought Makumalo and her two daughters as witnesses. Mapiri to tell us who asked her to clean Longwe, Longwe to tell who asked her to clean and Longwe to tell us if he saw the other three accused outside when he ran into the streets. You see, people are having so many tonton right now. So many things to ask. Someone else says, I mean, Longwe is already a Nyaupes. Just buy him glue. He will tell you everything about that day, I swear. As for buying him glue, come on, guys. No. Yo. Someone else says, for those who seem to think we are on the defense side because we cheer for them, I'd like to state it on record that you are wrong. We are on the side of the truth, and that is Senzo Meyiwa's side. The lies in the state evidence is too much. I agree with this person. And then the other person says, Baloyi, he drew up the timetable based on the phone call conversations. In fact, that's what he said. Is that the picture of serious? Okay, they posted a picture, a whole picture of Sibanda. And someone else says, without Longwe, this testimony is useless. But you know what the danger is? The danger is, what if one day someone decides, okay, let's call Longwe, and Longwe comes and says, nah, I ran, nah, I did ABCD, and then Longwe is like, aphikisa yonke into esho and denies everything that this so-called expert came to do. Then what? Isn't that a problem for the state? Do you understand? Someone else wrote, Rata's courtroom is a crime scene on its own. They even lie about a 15-minute short break. Where are they? Oh my goodness. How? Someone said the problem with the red polo AVL now is that on the news, the supposed driver appears in 6 a.m. news while the car only gets to Foslo at 10. Oh my God. There is Longwe. Someone is putting a picture of Longwe there in the early hours. Sprayed view, Gauteng. It's an oh my goodness. Sure. Hi, Jehovah. 9 years ago. Hi, yeah. Guys, Twitter guy will investigate you. They will investigate you, no lies. And then someone says the red polo left home on the 27th October at 07:13:21 via Marbetin to Fosloras. It was at Fosloras at 09:53, the scene of the incident. The red polo was there for more than 6 hours. It left there at 16:32. Hi, Nkosi yam. And then there's a clip there. Hi, listen, guys. Now, I actually feel ukuthi Ubalo shouldn't have done that. Maybe he was stalling for gain. The disappointment in his face, Kesana, when the defense was like, no questions, no questions, because Ungomezulu was also not asking questions. Ungomezulu was stating the obvious that we spoke of here on this live and in other channels, that there is absolutely no need for this woman to be there, especially without Longwe. And the panic on Baloy's face. Why does he keep doing this to himself now? Hmm? Why does he keep doing this to himself? Hmm? Jehovah. We are still waiting for the study leave, Galoxis. We are still waiting. Someone else says alternatively, why Longwe did not phone the police if he escaped the intruders? Why it took him 4 minutes to return to the scene of the incident? Someone says Ntanzi said they promise him 3 million if he implicates the other accused for the Senzo Meyiwa murder. A whole Rata versus Hepworth sitting judge laughed and ridiculed all that. Asked Gininda, do you even have that man? Yet this case receipt smells of multi-millions. Ish. Hi guys, kwaze kwanzima ithanga ngifunda ama-comment wenu. Siqede ngale conversation, sizobuya. I'm hungry enye into. So when I'm hungry, I can't concentrate well. Okay. Hello, Kolani. Hello, Gugu. Afternoon, Gugu. Uribontel Kininda, he'll organize everything. Good afternoon, Oniko. Kininda is all over police. Okay, we read this. Maputle, how sure are we that long we're driving the car? We're not sure. We're also not sure about that because we don't know who was with Longwe, guys. We don't know whether Longwe arrived with someone. No one has said that he arrived with someone. Did any of the people, Tumelo or who's this? Mtoko said that in the red polo there was someone. I don't remember. It's possible that it was said. Unefati Baloy's witness yesterday was just a trap. His attempt to dig what the defense have on Longwe. So the defense were united and gave the witness Baloy and Rata. Chonga, it was well played, ne? It was well played because he expected, yeah, he was busy fishing for information. What do they have on them? What do they know? Do you know that when someone knows that they have done something there, and then but they're not willing yet to tell the truth, and then they'll be like, I want to see how much do they know. That's what he's busy doing, Ubaloy. Ubeni Music World, no case today. No, they're coming back on Thursday, love. Ukakati, I love Advocate Mgomezulu. He is the real making Baloy, really, really making Baloy and Kininda to dig they want their own graves. I agree. Sorry, Noni, I'm still in the subway for another 5 minutes. Don't worry. Let's get to 79 likes, guys, please. I was saying yesterday that it's possible that Baloyi has been delaying since before the recess because he knew Gininda was writing an exam soon. And then it goes back to what Mshololo and others were saying that we did say Kininda must come. That was way before Mangena, and they did not want him to come, but they know he's writing exams. So let them not make that issue the defense problem. Una lady, where is the study leave? We're still waiting for that. Maybe Kininda will bring it himself, okay? Maybe Kininda will bring those things himself. He don't want anyone. Uvictor mina ngibona abasulwa beziyicebi kuleli cala ekugcineni. I wish that the Almighty will deal with that. They better be. Yabona u-IQ number 3 the way ahlukumezeke ngakhona i-4 years yonke ehleli A1. That 4 years is no joke. He better get rich so that when he comes out of prison, he has something to fall back on. He better get rich. Oh, he better do. They better pay him. But hey, guys, it's been 10 years and Uzamukuhle Mbata is still not getting money. So it will be long. Yeah, the state, son. It will be long. Imagine we have that issue of Zamukuhle Mbata that the Kumalos knew, and yet they pinned this on him at some point until the judge was like, aye, this is not working out. Do you understand? Baloy got scared when Rata told him that he's gonna phone the professor to send the judge official exam schedule. Baloy started and said, "No, he'll send it to me." He was really shocked there. He was really shocked there, literally. That is why people are like suspicious of the whole exam situation. Me, I'm just saying that, yeah, Okininda did mention last year that he's writing exams. If he's registered this year, I don't know, but that's what he's saying. Do you understand? So that's why I'm like, I'm 50-50. Well, because of him. And the other thing that we must also be aware of is that Malloy never said Ginita is writing exams. It was Rata himself who said, yeah, Malloy, I'm told. He said, I'm told that Ginita is writing exams. Who told him? Why he was told where? Because he's supposed to be told things during the people. Where was he told by whom and how? And why was he being told alone? Do you understand? So now, but they do things that will make them the masses ask questions. Okay. Because Baloy keeps making court versions of witness. He can't even keep up with his own nonsense that he started, that one. He can't. He honestly can't keep up with his own nonsense. He starts things and the next thing he can't keep up. He can't keep up at all with his own nonsense. Kesana. You guys. It was never Baloyi who said that Gininda is writing. It's this one. Upapa lo, or Papai. It's Paps there. Opa. Ki Opa. Opa is the one that said that he's writing exams. Ki Papa. I'm telling you. He likes starting things. He likes it. Telling you. Hi, says no need skepile. I am late. Askis. And you forget the amas. I'm leaving now. I'm hungry. And I don't know where is this lady that went to buy fish for me because I didn't even eat breakfast the way I got up and got busy. Guys, for iron levels that are low, what can I use for iron? What can I eat? Which foods besides spinach, beetroot? What else? I know of spinach, beetroot. What else can I eat? Because I have iron issues. And once I get hungry, I start feeling somewhat dizzy sometimes. Give me recipes here, guys. What are those things that I can eat to maintain it so that because sometimes I feel a bit offish because of yon. Like right now, I am very hungry and something is not balancing. Hi, Mlambo Designs. How are you doing? How are you? Are you not late for work? Or you early today? Do you understand, guys? Anyway, what is the last thing that I must leave Noni? A lot of iron, it mildly done. You want me to eat blood? How never do you want me to eat blood? I don't like that. Liver. You want me to eat blood? No. Oh, okay. All right, Mlambo. Try soil. What soil now, Matepana? Which soil? What you mean? According to how Baloy do things, I saw Judge Rata. He is starting to pull himself back. He better pull himself back, Shem. He better flip and pull himself back. Because wow. Because wow's I guess Anna. Things are getting very interesting in that courtroom. That is why I say, let me do this. That is why I say that we better pray. Oh, serious clay, that clay salt by because okay. So it's good for iron. Okay, I'm gonna try. So I will keep saying this every day, guys, when we are on a live. Let us pray for Judge Ratas. Yabo? We pray to God that He takes over. We pray to God that He is the one that rules over the case. We will see results. We will even see change in Ratas' behavior. We will see results. Let us not stop praying. Let us not stop, because that is the only way to deal with the evil. Pray. Pray over evil, because we all know by now that there is too much evil involved in this court case. There is too much shenanigans that are going on in this court case. Because how come is Judge Rota still listening to this nonsense? Because there's a lot of things that he could have said. Wait. Zandi, you are telling me that no one saw, after asking those questions, no one saw anything? How come? Because you say that. And then after Zandi said those things, then there was a Ndab saying, he could have said, wait a minute. So if Ndab saying says, Zandi says, and Ndab saying says, no, he should have said Zandi's evidence out the window. Tumelo comes and then he's like, Zandi says this, Tumelo says this, and then after those three witnesses who were inside the house, he should have said, I'm not taking their evidence. No, they can't tell us different stories, but they are coming from the same crime scene. Doesn't make sense. And then we wait for the police. The moment Mukhane started lying there, the judge would have said, Mukhane, you are lying on this stand. You said ABCD. Now the report of the AVL here, you are saying, no, man, no, sir, no. Do you understand? There are so many things that can be resolved a long time ago. And these people were going to cut off the lies. They would have cut off the lies long time ago if this judge was not allowing nonsense to happen in his courtroom. Do you understand? So we are dealing here with a lot of the dark side situation, which needs prayers, which needs men and women that are not scared to call nonsense by its rightful name and call it out there by God and tell him this is nonsense. What is happening in the Meyiwa case is nonsense, and it needs you, God, to take over. Please take over that. That's all we need. And all the people that are cooking lies here and cooking the nonsense, they shall never see or shall never understand what happened when they made deals with certain people to make moves like this and that. When the things are changing on them, they will never understand what happened, because the higher powers are taking over. Imagine Baloy bringing us a witness that is going to tell us that Longwe drove around and never went to a police station. Imagine that crap. That's nonsense. So he is telling that Longwe did not call the police, but he was in his car driving 30 kilometers per hour. But he never called the police, but he knew that they were intruders. Intruders. And you are not going to the police station to say, guys, come at once. We have problems there. Yes, if there was something that says then Longwe left, ran, and then Longwe brought police, and then the police station is reporting Longwe Twala arrived, as he said, I'm Longwe Twala, we are at this address, and when they go there, we will be talking another story about these guys now. The problem starts when Longwe drives around. We are still in our story of something is wrong here. Oh my goodness. Maybe it's my hunger that is saying these things, but these people are taking us for a pee. All right? They are really taking us for a pee, because what nonsense is this? And the other thing that is weird, okay? It is very weird, okay, guys. Weird, I mean weird, okay? It's very weird, guys, Uma Khumalo never ran anywhere, but Uma Khumalo is not called to the stand. Uma Khumalo knows exactly what happened, Mosi. Why is she not called to the stand? Huh? Why is Makumalo not called to the stand? Hello, Ngwekazi. Your legend says, buy him glue. Like that one had me on the floor, okay? Buy him glue. Glue now. Why is Makumalo not called on the stand, guys? Mystery. I don't have water. It's mystery. And guys, I'm not the one that is arrested. Mube is there, so I'm gonna talk here and there. First, did you see Bulela Baloyi's face? Did I say Bule? Baloyi's face, did you see him? Did you see Baloyi's face and the shock on his face when the defense lawyers were like, I have no questions. I have no questions there on. The way he was, what did he expect? What did he expect them to say? Trapping them like that. And they dealt with him, they gave him blow by blow, and he couldn't even balance there. Did you see his face? He was losing balance because he thought they are going to push it. They dealt with him. I don't believe it too. Mantepana, I don't believe it. The way Kelly Kumalo is wired, that day would have never come. If she found out, she was gonna flip. I don't believe it. It never happened, in my view. It's a story that is cooked for me. I don't believe it. It can't be true. I doubt it. I doubt that story at all. So, guys, Senzo Meyiwa case is giving us sleepless nights. Kahle, kahle. I don't want it to end. I want the Almighty God to surprise us here. I don't want Rata to recuse himself because we've gone too far. I don't want him to recuse himself. I want the Almighty God to give us a surprise here. I get me in my head, I'm like, Rata is going to grab at these guys. The verdict is guilty, and they are going to be sentenced to life sentences. Mm-mm. I want the Almighty to come true. Mm-hmm. I want the Almighty to come true. Okay. I'm telling you. Well, it was alleged that KK paid Zandi to spy or keep Senzo busy. Well, those were allegations. I don't know. Don't you think Zandi would have said something about it when they were fighting? The way Zandi has a big mouth, she never said that. You are the one who said I must look after Senzo. I don't think it's true. When they were fighting, it would have come out, guys. I promise you. It would have come out. I doubt it's true. Zanele, one question I loved from Mgo is this one. Does the evidence show Longwe inside the car? Well, like there, well, Mgomezulu there, he dismantled. Dismantling was done there properly, okay? Properly, properly, the best thing that he has done so far. Because all he did, in my view, all he did was to show the defense that you dumbass, you can do whatever you want, but we're not falling for crap. Because Mgomesu did not ask any questions. He dealt with one thing to show that you are not supposed to. I wanted him to also actually say, isn't this conflict of interest? Just for the sake of using that word. I wanted him to use that word. Conflict of interest. You are busy representing former employer, but on your current employer, are you okay? And then Mr. Funfax says, okay, before that, I am talking about Rata's face. Rata is disappointed in so many levels of disappointed, because some of the things he tried to close gaps on, well, there isn't gapping that is closing because there's not much he can do when they are also embarrassing him like that. Then lol no. Umandla, hello sis. Hello Mandla. Hello Mendlos. Zandi had the one thing KK wanted, which is what? Which is what? Do tell. Come on, tell us. Which is what? Uzanele Balo is protect. Ayini guys with this. Yes, Zanele. No. Read my opinion. You jump my point of Rata. Change his face. Hypo. Where? I read your opinions. Where? Where did I jump your opinions? Okay, according to how Baloy do things, I read this. I saw Judge Rata's face. He is starting to pull himself back. I read this. Uh, Good day, Lalita. Uzane, let's like the life, guys. We have intruders in the house. The trophy. Which trophy is that? You are so annoying. Which trophy? Which trophy is that? Hello to me. Then stop it. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Now all I'm saying is that things the cooking is not like the stew is not boiling together, guys. The stew is not boiling together. And I wonder why is Baloy scared of ending his case? Why is Baloy scared of ending this case? Because he looks like right now where we are, he looks and sounds like someone who is very scared to stop the bus. We have arrived. He is scared to say that. Why? Why is he flying the flight solo the whole time and not landing? You better bloody land. How? Why is he not landing? Because we are done with his case. Is it because it's an empty casket? Hi, Jehovah. I can't believe that he is like unwilling to end this. Uh, Okay, Mr. Funfax, I have hi sis no need skepile, I'm late. And then I have, according to how I see Baloy do things, I saw Judge Rata, he is starting to pull himself. And then I have the other comment after that one from you, as I'm talking about Rata's face. And then I have, read my opinion. You jump my point of Rata, change his face. And then I have it starts by saying, guys, well, it's not here. Please post it again. It's one of those that don't come true. Kindly please post it again. Please. Because it's not there. And then stop it then. Stop being stout. Zanele, hey, where was Rata? We know yesterday because we had a new Rata Isol. No, guys, remember I once said to you, every week there is a day where Rata will be anti-Baloy. Every week there is a day where he will be anti-Baloy, where he won't take his things, he won't take his nonsense at all. Every week we have that day. And then Jan van Veek says if the defense will request replacement for Elizabeth Pretorius, their request for a new 205 will or might be blocked. What do you think? Watching from which country is that? Namibia. Is that Namibia? I'm not sure. Hmm. It might be blocked by Judge Rata. Is that what you mean? Very possible, ne? Mm, I agree. But there's no need for that. We just need We just need a proper representation for the proper company. In any case, we don't need that information if Longo is not in the stand. Do you know that? We don't need that information. We need Longo first. If they can bring Longo, then cross-examination will begin. But now they don't want to bring Longo. And then Matepana says, Baloy knows the defense is going to mop the floor with his head. I believe so. Because tell me, why is Baloy refusing to lend? It's over. It's done. And it's an empty cassette. It is an empty cassette. The cell phone records, they did not pass. There is someone who wrote something like that here. I forgot the person's name. The DNA also failed to put the accused on crime scene. The cell phone records failed to put the accused in the crime scene. The bank statement failed to produce any payments, large sums of amount and stuff. They failed. And they also, as much as they put some of them in Gauteng, but bottom line, they did not put them. They did not put them in the crime scene. DNA also. What else failed? There's a lot of things that failed that they could not. Even the confessions are failing dismally, if you ask me. They have failed, in fact, dismally, the confessions, because they are not aligned with what the statement of the people of the house are saying. They are not. Do you understand? So it doesn't make sense. And then to me says the way Balo and Rata handled trial within a trial, I never thought they would be so scared and humbled by now. I'm scared of Mula. Well, here we are. Welcome to the real world, the reality of things. Because at this point, yes, at this point, someone is very scared to allow the defense to start their own case. And I do want the defense at this point to actually request for Section 174 before calling anyone for that matter. You know why? I want to see where is Rata's head at. They must actually call for 174. They must request 174. Because we have so many stories from the lead investigator, from the people in the house, from the police themselves. We have too many stories to deal with. We have big police officers that were there about General Sibia saying that we found no cartridges, no nothing there. There was nothing. And then someone else says the crime scene was messed up. Do you understand? In fact, the way the crime scene was messed up, the only case that we should be dealing with is defeating the ends of justice by the people in the house. That was the case that was supposed to be listened to. And then when we are done with that, surely they were going to make what? What you call? They were going to make deals with the state. And then that's when the case of the murder of Senzo Meyiwa was going to be alive. Something was going to come out of that. Something was going to come out if they did SB Makubo 375, because people were never going to allow themselves to be arrested for a crime they have nothing to do with. Now people might get arrested and spend time in jail for something they did not know, or something they knew but did not have anything to do with in terms of actually committing the crime. Do you understand? If they started with case 375, I promise you, they would have been dealt with 375 maybe 2020, 2021. Then by the time 2021 ends, we would have been dealing with 636, and the person would be serving for 375 and at the same time serving for 636. Do you understand? It would have gone concurrently. But no, I'm not clever. Uclever Ongbalo yena decided, I want to deal with this one. And he still needs to give us the merits of his choice. By the way, the merits of his choice, we want them. We want the merits of his choice. Why did he choose to first deal with 636? I know that 636 was a priority, but in a fair place, if they dealt with 375 first, case 636 would have been resolved by now. Am I lying or what? Am I smoking socks when I say that? No, I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think I'm lying. Not at all. I don't think I'm lying. I don't think I'm saying crap. I think I am onto something. If they started with case 636, I mean 375, 375 was going to result in those people making deals with the state and saying, you know what? Instead of me spending time in jail for this long, let's say they were going to get 15 years, someone is going to get 7.5. Do you understand? And then we were going to move smoothly with 636. That is what I think would have happened if they were fair. And Ubaloy must still tell us, why did he choose this one? Because yena bopa is not going to go away. It will happen. Anyway, let me read your comments and close this, and then we go have lunch. It's 1:00. Yes, that's Namibia. All right, thank you, Zanele. Aisha, we want Longwe to tell us beka fundisa bani driving ehamba ngo 15 kilometers per hour kube kushoniwe espaza shop, and ubani ufundiswe ebusuku drive. Who gets taught at night? Ne? Tattoo and gold tooth dololo, exactly. Abanamathathu abanye abantwana and abanazi gold tooth and abakaze babanaso. I remember agents zabo state zaku TikTok, they even created photo ka choose number 3 and a gold tooth. That time he never had one. Bamzondani kodwa. Yo. And then Aisha, people in the house, lead investigator and confessions are all different versions. Do you know what else is a different version? The firearm. The firearm is another problem, Kesan. The firearm is another problem, esinayo. And Ukininda Wate Watinaiba, he has investigated and spoke of revolver in his investigations. Minang Sas, maybe I'm the problem. He can't drop the case because he made a promise Ukuba he will make sure they serve for this case, but now he's not noticing that he's burying himself 100 feet under. Imagine. Umodise, I wish to spare to look into the timetable. There is something fishy with it. She posted. Mrs. Aisha, maybe Baloyi has given up with 636, hence he is busy with 375 indirectly. Well, he better get arrested himself. He better get arrested himself there. Okay? Uwezimoyo. Baloyi now he is not having power like before. Now he is Tayazela. Slowly, we are Tatazela Sana. 13 intruders in the house. They better like. Okay, Biden. Guys, thank you so much for being with me for over an hour. I appreciate you. I will see you on our next live. I don't know when is that, whether it's going to be tomorrow or tonight. I'm not sure. But thank you so much. Uba loyi akakasibonisi uba banetyala abafana tu. Ududu Nxumalo, yes, that timetable is fake allegedly. Well, Mlambo, bye bye, Mlambo. Enjoy your day at work. Guys, thank you so much. I will see you on our next live. Now I'm left with my people. Patience, hi Noni, it means Longwe was at Kumalos, even the second day, Geninda, and all those that called on crime scene, Rata and Baloy Sibande, those who lied under oath allegedly. Mr. Fun Facts, you see, You jumped again, yo. Nah, I did not see. No, no, they are not coming through, sir. They are not here. The last comment that you have here, Mr. Fun Fact, it says it starts by saying guys. Other than that, there is nothing else. You don't have any other comment. Nope, you don't have. Uzanele, bye. Enjoy the rest of your day. Guys, enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you so much. Mr. Fun Fact, you can post your comments after the live view. I will see them. These ones, I don't know why they are jumping themselves. No, they are hidden. I don't know why, but YouTube does this. I told you guys. So don't get offended. Bye, Aisha. Bye, Mandla. Hello, everybody. Bye bye. Love, 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 love. Enjoy your day.